Hello everyone and welcome back, another video. Today I'm gonna unbox and test out this Baseus digital LED display 2-in-1 wireless charger. Now this is a pretty interesting design where it's transparent, and I haven't seen this product in person yet. It's gonna be my first time. You can charge a phone plus phone or phone plus earphones or any other device that supports wireless charging. Says multiple safety protections and dual digital display. English. It's a wireless charger. We have our model number, input, output. So a single coil can give 15 watts maximum power, and double coil 10 watts plus 10 watts. So meaning if we have like two devices, then the output of each coil will be up to 10 watts. But if we only have one device, then it can be up to 15 watts. And in this example, it's 15 watts on the left and 5 watts on the right. So I guess the total is 20 watts of power that is like distributed through both of these coils. So this is how you can verify that you don't have a fake product. There's a lot of dust. Let's get my camera over here and scan it. I have no idea how this anti-counterfeiting system works, since if I tap on this, it will not do anything. It will just go like, it's not a button, so I don't know, something's wrong. But let's just assume that it's a legit product and just continue with the unboxing anyway. I'm just gonna cut this seal open with a knife. Okay. And here are the contents of the box. Wow, some stickers. We have the warranty card, a user manual, and some Baseus stickers. Those stickers are really nice. Those are actually the best looking stickers I've got out of all of the Baseus products that I've purchased. Wow, that's some sort of reflection to it. Anyway, let's go and take a look at our wireless charger itself. But first, I want to scan through the manual a bit and see what's inside. So it looks like it just teaches us how to use the wireless charger. I guess it's pretty simple and explains it in different languages. Let's remove it. Wow, that's very thin and light. I'm gonna unwrap it. Take a look at that. We also have a USB type A to USB type C cable included. I want to see how long it is, and it's pretty long. It's probably about like a meter or so. Let's take a look at the charger close up. That design looks so cool. I mean, seeing all the circuitry, and to me it looks like, yeah, that's 3D. That's actually the real components. That's not like a sticker or anything. That's what it really looks like. Wow. What's underneath? Okay, we've got some more information and a USB type C port. Let's set this aside. I'm gonna test this out for the first time. Let's get this Baseus power bank and plug it in using the cable it came with. So type A and type C. Now this does feel like glass, so I want to take care of it. Oh wow, that display looks incredible. I mean, it's so bright. I mean, it's not like an OLED display or whatever, but it does look really nice. Not sure why it's flashing, probably because it's not on a flat surface or something. Okay, I changed tables since I want to show it to you next to my current Baseus wireless charger, which is this one, and as you can see, the display on the new one is way nicer. But it does keep flashing, and I'm not really sure why that is. I'm assuming it's because I'm plugging it into this USB outlet and there isn't enough power, so I'll probably get like one of these adapters for this cable. Now this is one of those fast charging Xiaomi bricks. It's the let's see, how many watts is this? 27 watts. So let's plug it in over here, and hopefully that should fix our problem. If it doesn't stop flashing, then something's wrong, or it just flashes all the time on standby. Okay, so I fixed the problem. So yes, the power bank wasn't powerful enough. Same with this USB outlet, and that's why it was flashing. So after I plugged it into this Xiaomi adapter, which is 27 watts, the flashing stopped. And I don't have two phones with me at the moment since I'm filming on this iPhone, but I can demonstrate using two devices. So I have this iPhone 14 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and let's plug them in, or I mean like place them on top. Wow, there's a wireless charger. No, I said plug it in. And just like that, we have 0.5 watts, so it's starting to increase. And let's wait for the wattage to increase. 2.6 watts, 2.5. And the iPhone is charging. 68%. Let's plug in place the Galaxy Buds 2 on top. We should get an indicator light. There we go, it's charging. And we're gonna run like 2.3 watts. 2.2 watts. I guess it doesn't need as much power as the iPhone, and that's why it's at a lower wattage. But that looks so cool, right? I mean, 2 devices on 1 wireless charger, compared to this one where I can only have 1 device at a time. And the iPhone is slowly starting to charge faster. Let me see if I can bring this a bit nearer so it's easier to show you. With around 7.1 watts, 7.68 watts. So I wonder how high it will get since there are now 2 devices charging at once. Let's observe it for a while. And this will look really great at night. Let me try to close my curtain here. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
And as you can see, it just glows. It looks better in person than in camera. Then we lower the exposure, so you get what I mean. There, see? And it's charging at 9.9. Oh, it's probably gonna reach 10 watts. I didn't know that the iPhone can actually charge that fast. I thought it was only limited to like 7.5 watts. But it seems like it's charging faster. For my first impressions, I'm really amazed by the design. Now it really depends on your personal preference. So if you're not really into like technology like me, then you maybe prefer a different design that's just completely black or white. But for me, I really like the transparent design, especially when there's nothing on it. I think it looks really nice on my desk. And I only use this desk for charging things, so it'll make sense to have a wireless charger on it. And the display is really nice too. So that's my quick test and unboxing of the Baseus 2-in-1 wireless charger. That sticker looks nice. I want to end up covering my whole phone case in stickers, especially this white MagSafe ring. How cool is that? Look at the different colors as I move it around. Charger. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and feel free to leave a question, comment, or suggestion down below. And please like and subscribe for more, and it helps support the channel. So, thanks for watching.